All right, so this project's awesome, guys. We're outside on this outdoor patio space, and you can see this modern building has no overhangs, and we have no overhang going out here just because of the design features. But we're talking patio heat, and that's what we got right here. It's made by a company called Bromic, B-R-O-M-I-C. And I really like this brand of patio heater. So full electric, this is a 4,000 watt version, marine grade. So that's one of my first talking points about the Bromic version of this patio heater is marine grade, right? We work in a lot of salty coastal climates in our area. So marine grade's a huge plus. Anything outdoors gets rusty. This is a stainless steel enclosure with a ceramic heat element. Another thing I want to talk about is design, right? With patio heating, they come in different models, different lengths, different outputs. Again, this is a 4,000 watt, 240 volt electric heater. And if you go to the design specs or in most of the literature attached to specific heating brands, they'll give you some design parameters, right? So ceiling height has a lot to do with what size output you need, right? Cubic footage, the space you want to heat. And again, when I talked early on about this one, they talked about the design, being able to kind of tuck back into this nook. They're going to have a dining room table. And so comfort's everything in this property. And being able to have that block from the wind really will kind of up the performance of your outdoor patio heater if your wind's not blowing past your heater, blowing all your heat away. So this is like a perfect application, right? We have that wind block that's natural. We have a flush heater on this 8-foot ceiling, and it's a 4,000 watt output. It's plenty of output for this little space. All right, so I touched on the fact that we're on a pretty cool property with multiple buildings. I think we have 5 or 6 on this property. I want to show you another really cool space that's using the same style heater, one that's more covered. So let's go check those out. I'll show you. All right, guys, so I mentioned before in the video that we're on a property with, I think, 5 or 6 patio heaters strategically located. And I think that's the emphasis I want to put on this video is we're not just talking about a patio heater. We're talking about strategy for where you're going to locate one of these electric patio heaters, right? So we're on the back side of this building in an outdoor space. But you can see aesthetically, they built this wall around, and not only does it provide privacy, but I want to keep talking about this windbreak, right? You have this patio heater in a location, that breeze will do nothing but blow the heat right off you. So I think strategically, if I was putting patio heaters on a project, that discussion should be had, right? Is where do you want them? What are your ceiling heights? How much space you're trying to heat? I don't think there's any more enjoyable patio heater than a patio heater that you put some thought into of where it's going to go and what's around it. So these Bromics are pretty spiffy. So I'll see you on the next one.